Now, part 2.
Now it's my turn to run in the funny wheelbarrow.
You're weird.
Okay.
Okay, let's see her have a time getting on. It's a little dark in here.
Yeah, you should have shoes.
Yeah. Need all these silver flip-flops. I have pink ones like this, and they're so much cooler.
I'm afraid I'm gonna tip.
Okay. It's kind of hard filming. Here, you can hold the camera.
I don't want to sit in the chair.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll take it off. I have to pee. Ah!
Oh my gosh, we're gonna go wheelbarrow inside a wheelbarrow.
With a blanket. You don't want to hurt your butt.
That was just awesome.
Awesome.
Have a little foot room.
You get the comfy way. Okay. You ready? Yeah. It's the time it hurts my hand.
Yeah, I'll have it.
Okay.
Ah! No! Film! No!
Sorry.
Other way!
Sorry.
Put it to your face.
Sorry.
Okay. Mailbox.
Okay, mailbox time.
No, I'll get it. We check the lighting. And
Oh, perfect. You're just a little low. Like, can't see the whole body, but
it's your face.
have fun.
And you get away. Oh. I'm on TV. Ah! Oh my gosh!
What is this cool little thing? Oh. What is this? It's not weird. Let's pick it up. Ooh. Around! In the house! In the house! Ooh. Ooh. You're back.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.